Welcome to Perry Art and Draw. Today, we are going to draw a cute dog. So, let's draw a dog. First, we will draw our dog's nose and mouth. Then, we will draw the eyes of our dog. Now, we will create dog particles from oval shape. Now, we will make the head of the dog using carved line. Look, friends, how our dog is looking at you so that you can also watch the full video. Friends, now we will make a bow of our dog. So friends, do you also like dogs? If you do, then please like the video. Guys, it's time for you to draw the two legs behind Doggy. Friends, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and like the channel. Our dog will look even better if we make spots on it. Friends, now we will make our doctor outline even thicker so that our dog will look even better. So now after the outline, it's time to fill in the colors. So friends, you too can make a drawing of a dog at home and enjoy the video by filling colors in it.